Hey everybody, this is Elizabeth Richey and welcome to my channel. I am a realtor with Next Home BHB Property Advisors. My brokerage is located in Jonesboro, Arkansas, and I serve all of northern Arkansas. So today I thought I'd bring you guys a video while I'm on the run. I'm out running errands and I do not normally have this much makeup on. I am fully done up for a photo shoot. So it's kind of fun, but I thought I would take this as a chance to tell you guys about the USDA home loan. So that's something I have a lot of experience in, and just in case you're brand new to seeing my videos or having any clue who I am, I was a realtor in the state of Arizona for 6 years, and I specialized in first-time buyers and using the USDA loan, as well as helping people with credit repair in order to be able to buy a property or their first property. So now, having my license again, I specialize in helping people relocate because I myself have moved, across 3 to 5 states numerous times throughout my life. And I do help people outside of the state of Arkansas who are wanting to move to Arkansas, as well as anyone in Arkansas. If you're around here, whatever, give me a call. My information's always below. And if you check out my website, you will find me everywhere I am online. If you want to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever, then you can do so, and the information for that will be listed below. So about this USDA home loan, it is the United States Rural Development Loan. I want to tell you guys information on this just like in plain talk, make it as easy to understand as possible so that you can get yourself educated. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below and I will answer them personally. So this home loan, the first thing that you need to know about it is that not every home qualifies for it because it is only offered to homes that are in most cases outside of city limits, but there are some cities like Batesville, Arkansas, where in town is on the rural development map, so that's considered part of it. So what they've done is they've created this loan program in order to stimulate growth in areas where real estate is typically slower, so that is outside of big towns, metropolitan areas. And in order to encourage people to use this loan, it does not have mortgage insurance as high as with an FHA loan, which is something that is wrapped into your mortgage that most people don't realize they're even paying. And it's a zero money down loan, so you have to pay no down payment. I helped so many people buy their first place with only coming out of pocket like $300 to $400 for their home inspection, because even if you do an earnest money deposit and then if the seller agrees to pay your closing costs and you have no down payment, you are literally either getting money back at closing from your earnest money deposit, or all you've come out of pocket is for that home inspection, because your appraisal is paid for through your lender. It's through your closing costs. It's paid for through your lender during the time of no down payment. Now, who can qualify for this? Now, in order to qualify for any home loan, you have to have a provable income. If you're self-employed, they're going to look at the last 2 to 3 years tax returns to determine your income. They will take into consideration your gross income, not your net that you file for your business, but your gross income that you brought in. And you need to make X amount more in order to afford a house. So if you don't know what that is, you definitely want to get with me and I'll get you with a loan officer, or you want to get with a loan officer or a mortgage broker and get them the documents so that they can run your credit and they can look at your taxes if you're self-employed and tell you how much of a home you can afford. No matter whether you think you can afford the payment or not, you can only be approved up to max amount based on your provable income. So if you have any sort of like cash income, some lenders can work with that. It just gets trickier. So when in doubt, just ask. The worst thing that can happen is they say no, but you never know unless you ask. So you've got to have, X amount of income to be able to afford, your income will tell us how much of a home you qualify for, therefore how much we should house hunt for. And then also you have to have a credit score of 620 or higher to use the USDA loan. And there are some programs out there where lenders can squeak you in on the USDA loan with a credit score of 580 to 620 if you're self-employed, but it's harder to do. So just know that it is possible, but it is harder. It's not guaranteed. If your credit score is over 620, you have lots more options, and you also will get a lower interest rate. So keep that in mind. because that matters. Your interest rate makes up a big difference. And while I've got you here, I just want to mention that if you're ever going online and you're looking at mortgage calculators online, if you're considering buying a home in a rural area and you want to do the USDA option, you need to Google search USDA loan calculator, USDA mortgage loan calculator. In fact, I will drop a link in the description below to a valid one that I know is accurate. And the reason that's important is because most mortgage calculators are just automatically set to give you the terms for an FHA loan because that's the most common loan used in America. And so but the payment on an FHA loan is going to be higher than on USDA because of the mortgage insurance. So that's why you want to look at a specific type of mortgage calculator. So again, just thought I would keep it brief today and want to let you know if you have any questions about a USDA home loan, relocating to Arkansas, any of that jazz, you guys comment down below. My email is in the description below. You can find my real estate Facebook page and any of that information, and we can work together. I would love to answer your questions, even if we just shoot a few emails back and forth. I'm an open book. I love to be transparent and educational and helpful whenever I have the chance. So I hope you check out my website and that other information, and that this was useful for you, and that you have a wonderful day. Mwah.